Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is May the 5th and Friday. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. We had a ton of earnings last night. It is Friday, so I'm not gonna really make any suggestions as far as possible swing trades. I don't do a lot on Fridays anyway. But what I want to show you is look at all the earnings we had after hours and pre-market yesterday. So call this top list the earnings watcher. You can see change from close. We have a lot of stocks that are gapping up this morning. And not only that, we have a lot of stocks that are gapping down this morning. It's about a 50-50 split. The problem with a lot of traders, they want to come in here and try to pick, which, and there's nothing wrong with doing your due diligence and looking at charts and things like that. But a lot of times, a lot of these gappers, these ones that are gapping up big, will sell off the gap and crap. And then also, you're going to have stocks that are gapping down that are going to actually, head up fast. So what we can do at Trade Ideas is run a stock race. And what this will do, if I just click in here and launch real-time stock race, okay, and then I can come in here and it'll start running right now if I want it to. But what I want to do is set the stock race from change from the open. I want to know what stocks are moving once the bell rings. Okay. And then all I do is come in here and set auto start time for 8:30. I'm on Central Time. So as soon as the market opens up, and then I can just hit play. So what's going to happen as soon as the market opens up? I'm going to see which ones are the real winners, whether it's gapping up or gapping down. I'm going to see change from the close. Big advantage than trying to figure it out in a top list or a scan. So, anyway, a little tip, guys, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday with more ideas.